Hey, what is going on, everybody? Helping Hand here. This is a new channel that I'm starting. Basically, it's kind of like a how-to channel, kind of how to download softwares, games, stuff like that, mainly for free. Cause who likes paying for things anymore? Free stuff is always the best. I like down here. I have Premiere for free, Photoshop. I got that for free. A bunch of other softwares that I'm gonna be showing you guys how to download for free. But I have a bunch of things that I can show you guys how to download more softwares along these lines, more Adobe products, video games. There's games you can get on Steam that I know how to get that are for free. Basically a bunch of stuff. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download WinRAR. It's a free product. I mean, kind of is, kind of not. They want you to pay for it, but you never really have to. Yeah, so basically I'm just going to be showing you guys how to get that today, but then overall I want to be showing you how to get, free softwares, free games, just free whatever, basically everything. But so what you want to do today to download WinRAR, which is what I'm here to show you, is you want to go ahead and click the link down in the description. That'll bring you here. And what you're going to want to do is you see these top two right here, WinRAR 86 32-bit and WinRAR 64 64-bit. What you want to do is you want to go to your control panel, system, and you want to see what kind of system you have. I have a 64-bit, so if you have a 64-bit, obviously you download the 64-bit. If you have a 32, you download 32. Pretty self-explanatory. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on it. I'm clicking on the 64 and go ahead and let that download. And then once that downloads, you want to go ahead and run it. Hit yes. Here's this big long license agreement thing that nobody ever agrees to or reads, I mean. And then you want to go ahead and select wherever you want your file to save to. Then you'll go ahead and hit install. Let it download. You don't really have to mess with anything on this page. You can just kind of leave all that be. Go ahead and hit OK. And then thank you for using WinRAR. Go ahead and hit done. And here you go. It should open you up to a folder with WinRAR in it and all these other things. These don't really matter that much. But this right here is WinRAR. You can double click it if you want to. When you open WinRAR, sometimes it'll say this, like the screen will pop up and be like, it'll want you to pay for WinRAR, it's blah, 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 blah. You don't have to pay for WinRAR. There's no point to do any of that. So go ahead and just exit out of that, and then this right here is WinRAR. And you have it downloaded. So you can just do whatever you want to. You can download things now using WinRAR. It'll download files to this like you need them to, so you can extract them. WinRAR is basically a necessity for everything that I'm going to be showing you on this channel. So yeah, as you can see, I have a bunch of stuff right here already downloaded with WinRAR because I've had WinRAR on my computer for a while. But yeah, that is how you do this. And thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, sub if you're new. Plenty more stuff to come, and I will talk to you on the next one.